Assalamualaikum, here is Hina with English news. Today's headlines. How much PM Imran's maiden Sri Lanka trip cost National Exchequer? Minister for Communication and Postal Services Murad Saeed said on Thursday that Prime Minister Imran Khan's maiden visit to Sri Lanka this week cost the National Exchequer far less than those for previous rulers. Senate elections, PM Imran Khan to visit Lahore tomorrow. Ahead of Senate elections, Prime Minister Imran Khan is expected to visit Lahore tomorrow. Pakistan and India agreed to enforce 2003 ceasefire in DGMO's hotline contact. In a major development for peace in the region, Pakistan and India have agreed to strict enforcement of the ceasefire at the line of control and other border sectors. Supreme Court reserves opinion on presidential reference. The Supreme Court on Thursday reserved its opinions over the presidential reference, seeking the court's opinion to hold the Senate election by open ballot. All cars in Pakistan to have safety airbags. The Lahore High Court has directed the Engineering Development Board to ensure installation of safety airbags in all locally manufactured vehicles. Suspects in Karachi college girl gang rape case remanded into police custody. An anti-terrorism court on Thursday handed over two suspects in Karachi college girl gang rape case to police on physical remand. Awareness session was held at a private school in Quetta district, Balochistan, in which students were informed about polio virus and the benefits of vaccine. This is the end of today's news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.